Hi, this is MLB fan. I'm making a unboxing for some wrestlers that I got in Denver at Target. Legends, Greatest Hits, Elite, Tugboat. Got an extra head in there. Here's Tuggy Boat. Tugboat here. Read up on him too. Rest of the people in the line. Greatest Hits. Warlord. Elite. Legends. WWE Legends, Elite, Greatest Hits. Here's Warlord. Two pictures on each side. Here's the rest of the people in the line. Read up on him. And that is quick unboxing for Greatest Hits Legends line. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.